All right, so let's look at the solution for the test 4 questions. Question number 1. The range of the polynomial function f is the set of real numbers greater than or equal to negative 6. Okay, greater than or equal, which means it's going to grow, right, up from negative 6 to higher, which means it's because this one is going down, right, from negative infinity to positive 6. So this one, it's already getting out to positive 6. We have from negative 6 going up, it's this one or this one, right? And it says the zeros of f of x are negative 6 and 2. Here we have negative 6 and 2. Which of the following could be the graph? A. This one. Okay. Next one, question number 2. In the xy plane, when we say xy plane, it's a xy coordinate environment. The equations 4x minus 5y equal 15 and 12x minus 15y equals c represent the same line. Okay, let's see. We need to find value c. If it's the same line, so what we're gonna do? Let me see. I'm going to write down as 4x minus 5y equal 15, 12x minus 15y equal c. What do we see here? 4x minus 15y equal 15. So if I multiply this 4x minus 15y equal 50, multiply by 3, so I will get 12x minus 15y, right? 4 times 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 3 is 15. That means c is going to be 15 times 3. It's going to be 45. So this equation is 3 times greater than this one. Therefore, if 4 becomes 12, or I can make proportion, 4 related to 12 as 5 related to 15 and 15 related to c. So 4 and 12, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So c to keep proportion ratio 1 over 3, then this c has to be 45, right? 15 over 45, so it would be 1 and 3. So the answer is going to be 45. Here, 2 ways, by rate and by looking at the system of equation and figuring out c. Okay, question number 3. What do we have? Which of the following is equivalent to 2y, 2 times y minus 2 plus 5? That's pretty much straightforward. If I'm opening parentheses, 2y minus 4 plus 5, and it's going to be 2y plus 1. Okay, which is going to be B. Question number 4. Which of the following complex number equal, wait a minute, number 4, I'm reading 5. Solve. Y is equal x minus 5, y over 3 plus 4x equals 7. Since I have y over 3, so it makes sense to replace this y, move this 4x minus 5, move to here. And I will get x minus 5 over 3 plus 4x equal 7. So bringing to common denominator, here is 3, here is 3, here is 3, here is 3. Drop it, and I'm getting x minus 5 plus 12x equal 21. Yes? So x plus 12x, it's going to be 13x. And moving negative 5 here will be plus 5. It's going to be 26. X is equal to. If x is equal to, we know that y is equal x minus 5. So it's going to be y is equal 2 minus 5 is equal 3. So the answer is going to be 2 and negative 3. Question number 5. So what do we have? Let's see. Negative 4 plus 5i minus 3i squared plus 1. If I is equal square root of negative 1, then I squared is going to be equal negative 1, which means this I squared will become negative 4 plus 5i. If I put negative 1 plus 1, and I will get, let me see, negative 4 plus 1 is going to be negative 3, and plus 5i, and plus 3, right? Negative 3 and positive 3 are gone, and we are getting 5i. So the format of complex number is going to be real number plus complex number 0 plus 5i, which is going to be C. Okay. Moving to question number 6. In the equation ax plus 1 squared equal 49, a is a constant. What is the possible value of a if x is equal negative 2? Very easy. We are working on it. So instead of x, I am plugging negative 2. I will get negative 2a plus 1 squared equal 49. So negative 2a plus 1 squared, I'm opening as a plus b squared. No, a minus b squared. I will rewrite 1 minus 2a squared. So 4 minus b squared will be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is going to be equal, since it's 49, we will get 1 squared is 1 minus 4a plus 4a squared equal 49. Yes? So 4a squared minus 4 in minus 48 equals 0. So if I break it down, what's going to happen? Let me see. Oh, yeah. Okay. So reduce by 4. It's going to be a squared minus 1 minus 20 minus 24. Yes? Equal 0 minus 4a. I'm sorry, 1a. Okay. Oh. Reducing by 4, by some reason I'm getting 12. 24, yeah, 12. So it's going to be, if I FOIL it, it's going to be a minus 4, a plus 3, and it's equal 0. So from here, a is equal 4, a is equal negative 3. Which one is going to be D? One of these answers, negative 3. Question number 7. A customer paid $42.8 for clothes after tax, 7% tax sales. was added. So what was the price of clothes before sales tax? The price before the sales tax was X amount of dollars. Price before X dollars. So how much money is tax? Tax is gonna be 0.07x amount of dollars, right? So the price of the clothes X plus tax 0.07x is equal 42.8. From here 1.07x is equal 42.8, and if I divide, x is equal 42.8 divided 1.07 is equal $40. So the price before tax is $40. Okay, next one, number 8. We need to solve system of equations. So let's see, 8x minus 2y equal 8. I'm going to reduce by 2. It's gonna be 4x minus y is equal 4. And here 4x minus 3y is equal 5. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by -1. And I will get negative 4x plus y equal -4. At the bottom stays the same, 4x minus 3y equal 5. So if I add them, this is gone. I get negative 2y equal what? Positive 1, right? Y is equal negative 1 over 2. Okay, so none of them is matching, therefore we need to find x. I guess they have value of x. All right, let's solve value of x. So we have 4x. I'm plugging into first one right here. Let me mark down right here. So it's gonna be 4x minus -1/2 equal 4. From here 4x plus 1/2 equal 4. 4x is equal 4 minus 1/2. So 4x is equal 3 and 1/2. So and x is equal 3 and 1/2 divided by 4. How are we going to divide? Convert into improper fraction. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 over 2. When you divide by 4, you flip the fraction and do multiplication. If I flip the fraction, I get 1 over 4. Yes? And I'm getting 7 over 8. Okay, there must be some mistake either in the answer or in my solution. Let me go one more time. Negative 4x plus y equal -4. Okay, x is gone, y, and I'm checking this one. Y and -3y is -2y, -4 plus 5 is 1, and y is equal -1 over 2. All right, plugging back to this one, plugging back to this one. Let's plug to the other one this time. Let's plug to the other one. It doesn't matter, so maybe if I made a mistake by chance there, and then I shouldn't do here. So 4x minus 3 times 1 over 2, right? It's going to be -1 over 2, therefore it's negative will become plus. 3 over 2 is equal 5. So 4x plus 3 over 2 and 1 half equal 5. 4x is equal 5 minus 1 and 1 half, which is going to be 3 and 1 half. No, it's getting same answer, 7 over 8. Looks like the answer is incorrect. Okay. X is equal 3 and 1 half. Because 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 half is 3 and half. And the same way we divide 3 and half, divide by 4. So still x is going to be 7 over 8. Okay, so well, looks like the resource I took it from, it's mistaken. Well, there are sometimes mistakes in the book, so it's going to be 7 over 8. The answer. Okay, well, let's double check. I'm going to plug into this one. Let me use this one. So 4 times my x is how much? 7 over 8. And minus my y is negative 1 half, which is going to be plus 1 half. And it's equal 4. So 4 and 8 canceling, 7 at the 1 and here 2. I get 7 over 2 plus 1 half. 7 over 2 is 3 and 1 half, right? And plus half, we get 4. So 7 over 8 is correct. Yes, indeed. 11 over 8 is mistake. I am sorry, but I guess it's not my fault. I trusted the resource and took the result. So that's okay. Sometimes it happens. Things can happen. All right. Question number 9. The circle with center has circumference of 49. All right. Formula for circumference. 2 pi r is equal 49. What's the radius? Radius from here is equal 49 over 2 times pi. Pi is 3.14. And it's equal. So r is equal 49 divided by 6.28. And you should get is, let me divide. 49 divided by 6.28. And we are getting 7.8 approximately, which is going to be B. And the last one, okay, this is a little bit longer. So 1.5 x minus 2.4 squared minus 5.2 x squared. I'm opening parentheses here, and plus 6.4. All right. So I need to open this one, open parentheses. It's going to be 1.5 x squared. 1.5 squared is 2.25 x squared. By the way, in the I don't remember in basic math, or if I have math tricks playlist, there are tricks how easy to square some numbers, and you will find there 1.5 how I squared so quickly. Okay, minus twice 1.5 x and times 2.4 and plus 2.4 squared minus 5.2 x squared plus 6.4. Okay, so these two are like terms. I'm going to combine. So it's going to be negative, and 5.2 minus 2.25, it's going to be negative 2.95 x squared. Look at that. So it's gonna be either C or D. So this one is dropping, this one will dropping. C or D, we'll see. I guess the third one, the second term, negative 7.2, negative 7, available term is going to identify, which is going to be 2.4 squared. 2.4 times 2.4, it's going to be 5.76. 5.76, and we have 5 point, it's positive, 6.4 also positive, and if I add 6.4, it's going to be 12.6. Okay, minus 7.2x plus 12.16, which means this is going to be our solution. Yes? Okay. If you want me to continue this testing videos, please let me know in the comments or by like. Either way, it doesn't matter. So we are done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at next recording.